Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm working on a new project on a new earrings. And before I told you in another video that I'm using stain, wood stain, to cover the back of my earrings like this. And unfortunately, the wood stain, whenever you buy in container, you have to seal it properly after you use because it gets dry quite fast. But also I found that it's really kind of stinky, and it leaves a lot of stains, like it's messy. And you know what I did? I found on Amazon, and you can find anywhere, this type of wood furniture repair markers. And it's 16 unique colors. I'm not advertising this because there's so many different, but I actually bought because my husband needed to repair some furniture. And I was thinking, what if I use these markers to color the back of my earrings? And also because there are different colors, I would like to get the different colors on the back as well. So let's try to work with these markers. So I use a brown one, and it's not easy to use one hand, but it's okay. So here's one, and here's another one. So this color. And actually, it's wet, it dries fast, and I found I like it. So for this one I done. Then let's say I make another one. I make like this color. So let's see how this color looks. Okay, so let's try. You see, it says there's a difference in colors, but again, I found it's much more easy to work than with the previous stainer I use. Just a second and it's ready. And what I like actually, that it's not so messy. You can control the amount of stainer that goes on the top of this shape. So let's say for this one, I'm gonna use let's say this color. It's even brighter. Yeah. And it dries very fast. And then I could put on the top some varnish or some Mod Podge. But again, it's really nice. So actually it works. And it could be a perfect replacement for the wood stain and you buy it in a store. First of all, it gives you different colors of stain, and then it dries very fast and it's not so messy like before. So the next step is to cover the back with stain, and I use special furniture repair markers, and they are different colors. You can see I choose different one. Like for husky I use this one, like gray color, and for other one I use like darker color, but again it's up to you to use different colors. It's almost dry, and I will be covering with varnish just in a few minutes, but they're beautiful. The colors are beautiful, and I'm very happy about the outcome.